Hello YouTube, back again to this pond, and sadly there's no fucking way I can access it and see how that strange activity is going on, because I don't know, winter is just gone. We hadn't had a good winter yet, and it's coming to an end. It's basically no ice, no snow, no freaking cold. It's +6 Celsius, so fucking hunters, freaking hate them. Whatever. It's +6 Celsius, and it's the ice is just too thin, and it's basically never sets. I never get a nice thick ice, and there's no fucking way I can access that. Someone suggests me bringing fucking shit. Someone just suggested me bringing a plank throughout this lake. Oh, I know who that was. That was my cousin. And fucking shit. The elevation here is fucked up. What the fuck I'm talking about? Elevation, there's no fucking... Give me a fucking second. So someone suggested me bringing a plank here and like putting it across and stepping on it and accessing it, seeing it, filming it. Aš diena filmavimui. Negaliu filmuoti, I fucked this up. What is this sound? Can you hear this? Stop. Wait. What the fuck is this sound? Not fucking feeling good. I can't film it today. I know, it's weird as fuck. I'm kind of out of breath, and it feels like you're really high, but it's one of these fucking weird ass sounds. This is fucking insane. This is fucking insane. Everything okay, doggy? Fucking shit. I'm getting fucking out of here. I'm not fucking feeling right. I feel like I'm pressed. My fucking lungs are getting pressed. What the fuck is this shit? Fuck this shit. What the fuck is this fucking feeling?